Right, let's have another look at this. This is the 0119A chip. It's an attenuator. It picks up gaps and stitches them together, like gaps in a solfeggio frequency. This takes the gaps out and give you a continuous stream. What it means is it steals energy from the vacuum. What we've got on this little board is one diode. I don't know if you can see that tiny little ceramic capacitor. There's a resistor there, the chip, and this LED, this is 3.5 volts. Now this battery is only 1.5 volts. The battery is completely dead. It had to drain all the energy out of it using a magnet. This is a cell. It's a living cell. That's why it's called a cell. Because it never dies. It regains energy or charge from the Earth's magnetic field. So, because it's been sitting around for a couple of minutes picking up charge, you should see that if I complete the circuit, make this connection, you should see this LED light up for maybe a second. Yeah. You see that? See the LED? Now it's gone out because it's drawn all of the energy out of the battery. Now, when I disconnect that, it will light up again. You see that? Quickly lit up. But now it's been disconnected, the battery has soaked up more energy, so if I connect it again, it lights up. Then it goes out. When I disconnect it, it lights up for a split second. That's the back EMF. But now the battery's been sitting for a second or two, connect it, and it lights up. Disconnect it, it lights up, goes out, connect, disconnect, disconnect. So what's happening is every time I disconnect it and connect it, it is getting a surge backwards and forwards. And although the battery is dead, the chip is stitching up the gaps. Connect, disconnect, connect, disconnect. Keeping this pulse going like that would be enough to charge a battery, because there's 3.5 volts coming out there. It's a 3.5 volt LED, but this is only a 1.5 volt battery, but the battery is completely dead, as shown here. If we connect it, it goes out. Right? Now that is one little circuit on its own, on its Todd there. Now this is something I bumped into. This is a 1.5 volt, just a little 1.5 volt motor. Hear that? Hear that motor running? Now this is completely independent of that circuit, but you watch this. See that? See the LED lighting up? Yeah? Now, look, I'm about 4 inches away from there. Yeah? See that LED lighting up? Now this circuit isn't even connected to that. Connected. Look at that. See that? That pulse coming out of there, yeah, would be enough to charge a battery. See? See that? See the LED? What do you make of that? This is like consciousness. This is communicating with that through the ether. Come on. Look, I'm nowhere near that circuit. Look. See the LED? Isn't that something else? When I first bumped into this, I was staggered. I couldn't really make out how it was doing it. Look, this is just a battery and a little 1.5 volt motor. Put it near this circuit and look at the LED. Anybody care to enlighten me? Ha 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 ha.